Yeah, family, come right here. I show you something. Family, I'll show you this one. Everyone know butterfly, but I'm not sure you know the eggs of the butterfly. This is the eggs. You can see the eggs of the butterfly. It's a very small. Yeah, it's an egg. Butterfly. So they choose the eggs about like 10 days, come out the worm, and then the worm eat later. The worm is eat only one kind of leaf, is mulberry leaf. You know mulberry leaf, and then the worm reach to 25 days. It's a big like our finger, so they set up the net so the worm go inside to make the cocoon. So this is the cocoon here, family. You can see the cocoon here. Yeah. So you can hold and check that. You can check the larva inside. So family, I give you everyone one each. I give you everyone one each, and then you hold this one. You go back to the hotel. You sleep, and then tomorrow come out butterfly. Okay, this one how they make about the seal. They make the seal from here. That's the best one. Please follow the sister here. Em ơi. Okay.
We have to see the cocoon. We cook the cocoon in hot water in 90 degrees in 15 minutes. You can let me see the sea fresh. You can touch your hand. And from one cocoon gets about long 1 kilometer. Yeah. And after finish, I now have to put inside. And this is the warm guy. You can keep hot water the warm guy, not from the butterfly. And then you can cook. You can eat the worm. You can eat the worm.
Yes.
Yeah, it's so good because it has so many protein and 18 amino acids inside the worm. Yeah, that helps you good for body and good for woman, good for kid, good for hair. Okay, and here we are inside the store. We have so many. Good for him, strong and good for the hair. Yeah. You this after blonde hair. I can go inside.